My name is Kateryna Gonchar. Today I will show you how to make beautiful design with our stamping plates and beautiful colors of Enchanted gels. For my work I will need to use Enchanted color gels. Here they are. Gel polish, any nude color. Liner black gel. Silicone stamper, stamping plate Flora, brush detailer number 3, and brush for thin lines. I'm using a brush with natural hair with crystal handle. I prepared background for my design. I applied light color of gel polish, cure it, seal it with top coat, and then I buffed the top coat because it's impossible to do stamping over sticky layer of gel polish. Now I will put liner black gel over my design in stamping plate. Now with silicone stamper I take, and now we are looking where is our design and putting it on our nail and cure. And I will add a little bit of lines to show that our design finished. If you want, you can add some extra elements or leaves, and we will cure it. And now I will seal my design with matte top coat and cure in lamp. And now we will coloring our design with Enchanted colors. And we cure it. With black liner gel I will add a little bit of shadows on my design. I just put black dots and then I will fade it. We will cure our design. Now I will use Magic Shine top coat to seal only parts of our nail where we have design, and it means that we will have matte surface and shiny design on it. Now I will cure it. Now, my friends, we will look on the end result. I really like when in design we use matte top coat and shine top coat. You can see beautiful difference in it.